get this party started. I hope it doesn't hurt. I'm pretty sure there was directions, but I don't read directions. Close up of what we're working with here. Nice amount. We're gonna start up here. It's okay. All right, so we're supposed to go against. So I just, oops. The curve layer. I'm scared. I don't think this is a good idea. It's already hurting and I've already made a small mess. All right. Ooh, it hurts. It's tight. Okay. It's time to reveal the hair that's underneath. Oh, this hurts. Oh my God, I'm so scared. I don't do this no more. All right. Ooh. All right. This might be the end of this video. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ow. Oh. Ooh. Ah. That hurt it. Okay. One more time. Oh. 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 Ha cha 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 cha. Oh, that hurt. Shit. Oh. Oh. Oh, we're ripping the hairs out? Oh. Oh, that. I don't like that.
I don't like that.
Oh, no. Oh, my God. I started sweating. Oh, that hurt. Oh, Jesus. Yes, so clearly it's working. But girl, I'm supposed to do that this whole arm? Oh no. Man. I feel like my wig is about to flip. I don't want to do that no more. Alright, so how about we start on the underside since there's not as much hair, and we'll work our way around because I think I might have just attacked it at the wrong place. So how about that? Alright. Ooh, that's hot. Am I going the right way? It's this way, right? Yeah, it's this way because I'm pulling it the opposite way. Okay. Damn, I don't want to do this. Oh, yeah. I don't think this is for me. Maybe the... It just be getting the little hairs and it's barely coated and I'm pulling the whole hair out the... Oh God. I can't. I want to so bad, but I just can't. I'm so scared, child. Alright. Oh, Jesus! Ooh. 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 Oh, Lord. Ooh, child. Ugh. Okay. Alrighty. Ooh. 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 Ooh, child. Ooh. Ooh, I thought that was going to be better. Okay. Alright. I'm going to do this and it's going to be it because I can't. I'm sweating. Okay. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh! Is this what you came here for? Is this what you wanted to see? Oh! I don't like this. I don't like this. You know what? Listen, I'm gonna tell you this. I will have my whole bathroom, apartment, building, block smelling like Nair for 24 hours, then to sit here and have to do that on my whole body. I came. Where's the Novocaine? Like, This is not, oh my God, my hair was full when I started this video. Child, I'm stressed. Alright, so just to finish this off, I'm gonna take the after wax and I'm gonna spray that on here. Oh, calming. It is quite calming, thank goodness. And it's supposed to get off this extra. I thought it was supposed to get it off. Oh no. Oh no. Ew, 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 ew. Ma'am. Ma'am. Oh no, I can't do this. There's no way. Oh, I'm getting upset. So, do we try the leg though? Let's try the leg, child. Let's do the leg. I don't think I have as much hair in my legs, and they're not as sensitive. So, I'm gonna start at the knee. I remember the first time I got my eyebrows started, I cried. I was bleeding too. That was a fierce experience, child. Alright. She's on here. I do not want to pull this way. Oh! Listen, this is what we finna do. I'm sorry. It may not work, but oh. Yeah. I hear yeah. Oh! Oh! No! No! Oh! No! Ow! This hurts. It's like when you fall and scrape your knee. I want to be dramatic. Like, I wish I was being dramatic, but I'm mad. Come on, bitch. Let's get this off. I'm sweating. It's hot. Okay, come on, bitch. Let's go. Ouch, 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 ouch. Oh my God. My wig is slipping. Alright. Damn, that's not even supposed to be like that. Ooh, I'm just trying to get a piece I can grip. Oh! Ow! Oh my God. Come on, let's go. Oh, that hurts. Rug burn. Ow. Maybe this is the reason why they say pull the opposite direction. Oh, this is a hurting experience. Oh God, this hurts. Alright, here. Just put this on here. And you just soak. Maybe that'll help. But child, that hurt. I don't want to do this. Oh, Lord help me. Maybe I forgot the pre-wax spray. That's why. Oh gosh. Oh well. Well. Last one. Bonus strip. Ow. 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 My 4-year-old virgin moment. Ow. It just hurts so bad. I don't want to do this. Ow. Okay, let's do it. Ooh. Ow, it hurts. I don't want to do this. One more piece. Ow. Listen, y'all. I really tried to show y'all the power of waxing. But this is what I got. This is it. That part. And a piece on my leg. And a little bit on my chest. That was a shame. Child. I don't know. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this because I didn't. Love you. Bye. Bye.